Monica Solis and Miguel Solis is going to do the vlog today. So today we didn't went to school because it's so windy, it's raining so bad.
And they said we don't have to go to school today.
Because the streets are full of water, like they can't almost drive. Plus, it's raining really hard, and the wind can push you, so that's why we didn't went. Even the trash from our neighbor are fell down, so they are really heavy. Like the trash is really heavy, so the wind is more stronger. So that's why we didn't went to school, because the wind could even blow my mom out. It is outside. There's a lot of raindrops right there and a lot of wind. That's the gray sky, our backyard. Oh, I'm at my room. Let me show you something that I did yesterday.
You are my BFF.
Let's go eat some breakfast. I didn't eat breakfast yet. I just ate some bread. Nothing else. So let's go. Okay, I'm gonna eat breakfast. I'm eating my breakfast. It's cookie with caramel. And I'm not that hungry, so that's why I'm eating just this.
Let's go outside. Let's try to go outside. So I'll go.
I screamed like that because I was going to trip. And oh my gosh. It's like, no. I was going to trip with this book. That's why I'm going to put it in slow-mo. What my brother did with the apple. Are you going to eat that?
Yeah. Why?
All of it?
Uh-huh.
But you cut it in really small pieces. How can you eat all of that? I know he's not going to eat all of it. I'm not going to eat that, I totally know. Ew! My brother, the bed is a mess because my brother just slept on it right now while he's seeing a show. Ugh, look, a mess. Now, how mom is gonna do this bed? It's all a mess. It's even touching the floor. Brother, I'm making a mess. Mom saw me and she closed the door.
Let me try to open the door. I'm free.
Phew. Okay, so no more drama. Okay, so he's not here. Plus, the thing that my mom closed the door and that it was fake. I just did sound effects. My mom actually she didn't close the door. I just used sound effects, and by the slow mo, like the Let me try to open the door. I just did that with slow mo, like really slow, and I actually was just kicking the bed. I actually wasn't doing a math. Yeah, so I think we are not going anywhere today. Like we're not going out, but maybe if the rain stops, we might go out, but I don't think so. Yesterday it was kind of starting to rain at nighttime, so we couldn't go to Safeway because we were going to go. Today we were going to go to Safeway, but my mom said that we can't. But because it's so much rain and stuff, so it's like we're not going to go out. I just came in the room right now because I was taking a break from doing video, and look. My brother ate all of the apples. I just came in here. Walked to my room. Just heard something. Like a big truck going like. My nail is purple. The rain stopped. Yep, the rain stopped. My lips are pink.
It doesn't have to. It doesn't supposed to be look good. Highlighted.
This is Spanish, so just read the.
Assassin's Creed 3. Limitation with this one.
Just read the letters
That's loud.
below.
Please. Which letters?
Right now you're not talking. That's why. No one.
I want to press this button to shoot someone, but I don't want to because if I do, I lose.
This button. Show them.
This one. I'm gonna lose. Oh no.
Okay, guys, read the thing below.